Welcome to GoodSharpener. Our software designed specifically for CNC grinding machines and has a large set of modules for the production and regrinding of cutting tools. The product's feature is a user-friendly interface, the availability of a guarantee, constant communication with our technical support, as well as the possibility of developing an individual module for a special tool. 3D Simulator. This module allows you to simulate the tool manufacturing process using only the control program for the machine as input data. At the same time, a complete and accurate analysis of the control program takes place, modeling the movements of machine components and parts, analyzing the magnitude of strokes and the possibility of collisions of nodes, creating a three-dimensional model of the tool. The simulation process fully takes into account the geometry of the grinding wheel, its radius at the top and angles. Possible machine errors and settings are also taken into account. Using the 3D Simulator module, you can simulate the operation of a grinding machine using a control program on a personal computer. During modeling, all movements and calculations are performed in the same way as they are performed on a machine, with the possibility of visual control of the operation of the control program and its editing.